salamat, Jory. Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Maayong iligan. Sa mga dili taga-iligan, of course, from our neighboring cities, that is our greetings, no? Nindot kaayo ang iligan, maayong iligan. Thank you all for coming, but of course, I would like to acknowledge our very special guest, the Mayor from Bukidnon, Cabanglasan, of course. Thank you, Mayor, for your support. Atong palakpakan, Mayor Bernie Castellares. And to all officers of different organizations from different cities, di na lang siguro ako isa-isahon, kaya na-mention na tanan ni Sir Al. Atong palakpakan ang atuang mga bisita na naadiri all the way from the other areas of Mindanao. Thank you so much. But of course, our Gender and Development Head, thank you so much. Atong palakpakan, Sir Al Madalen. Distinguished officials from the national and local government, nakita na ko mga department heads na dinhi, Ma'am Mila, Ma'am Agnes, thank you so much for coming. Esteemed representatives from our partner agencies, honored speakers, passionate advocates, youth leaders, of course, barangay officials, nakita na ko ng mga barangay captains, barangay kagawad, committee chair on women in the barangay, our women leaders from different organizations, and of course, mga civic organizations. I stand before you with profound gratitude and renewed hope as we continue. This is our second year, as mentioned by Sir Al, the Maalagad Mindanao Summit 2025. Kinsay naka-attend last year? Naaamuban, pero ay dito nag-raise ang hand, no? So naagdaghan din ng bag-o karon na naka-attend. So I hope daghan kag makutlo sa karon na whole day nato ma-activity. Because today, we come together because we share a conviction that service is not merely a responsibility, but a calling. The very essence of Maalagad is to serve. Reminds us that leadership reaches its highest meaning when it uplifts lives. Ang serbisyo ko no, ayaw nato siyang kumbaga, masaktan, maging sakto, kung nakatabang ta sa atong isip katao. Protects community and creates a future where all people, women, men, youth, and every vulnerable sector can live with dignity and opportunity. Allow me to extend my heartfelt thanks to Gender and Development Office, of course, headed by Sir Al, whose unwavering dedication to equality, empowerment, and protection has made this summit not only possible but deeply meaningful. We also honor our partners from Department of Interior and Local Government, apas na si Mamayda Danyon, our fellow LGUs, and the many civil society organizations who continue to stand the forefront of transformative governance. Your commitment strengthens the very foundation of this vision. As Mindanao stands at the crossroads of challenge and possibility, we are called to confront the realities that hinder our progress: gender inequality, discrimination, abuse, and violence in all its forms. These are not abstract issues, they are live experiences of our people, and so our work is clear: to build systems that uplift, to craft policies that protect, and to create communities where safety is the norm, not the exceptions. Okay na ba? Mga pila na ba ng pages ang ako ang i-prepare? So I'll just make it short. Of course, empowering women, supporting families, amplifying the voices of the youth, and ensuring that no one is left behind. These are not side notes in development. They are the pillars of a peaceful, prosperous Mindanao, where women rise, community rise. When we protect the vulnerable, society becomes stronger. When we chose compassion and justice, peace follows. This summit is a space where ideas evolve into action, where collaboration becomes commitment, where diverse voices, especially those long unheard, are finally recognized, valued, and empowered. Here we declare that true progress must be inclusive. True leadership must be compassionate, and true peace must be lived in the daily realities of the people. As we move through today's dialogue, let us challenge ourselves. Actually, nakita na ko, or majority, ang mga babae. Salamat na ni Mayor, no? Very supportive ang mga kalalakihan. No? Ato palakpakan ang mga kalalakihan na naadili, na nag-support, no? Thank you so much. Pero, nana ko i-share gamay, no? Sa mga babae. Kabaluta, naatay God-given gift. Naatay inner strength. Nalahi po ang usa ka babae kung kita po ang muli, not just in the family, but in the whole community. Muyon ba ang mga kababaihan?
Muyon.
Mabuhay ang mga kababaihan.
Buhay.
Daghang salamat kagawad Ando. So very active, no, sa atong Iligan City Council of Women. Atong palakpakan ang Iligan City Council of Women, ang nasa Australia, ang President and the rest of the officers. Kaya ang Iligan active kaayo ang mga women's organizations. So, I'm sure sa other cities, no, active na po ang mga kababaihan. As we move today's dialogue, of course, as I mentioned, let us challenge ourselves to lead with wisdom, to serve with courage, to build partnerships that endure beyond programs and beyond positions. Let this summit ignite in us in a deeper resolve not only to envision a better Mindanao, but to actively shape it. Because Mindanao has always been defined by its people, by your resilience, your courage, your stories, and your unwavering hope. Ako lang po i-share sa inyo, ha, of course, ang urgent concerns right now, not just in Iligan, but in the whole Philippines. The urgency of addressing gender issues. Let us be honest. Gender issues in Mindanao remain urgent. Violence against women and children persists. Gender-based discrimination continues. Mental health needs are rising, yet support remains limited. These are not isolated problems, but they are systematic challenges, and that is why we must institutionalize trauma-informed care across our LGUs. Sa una, wala ka na mental health. Karon ang mga bagong tubo, gamay lang kay problema, di na kaginawa. Naka-encounter ba na? Sa atong city hospital, no, mga batanon karon. Gagmay ka yung concern, problema, hindi na sa kaginawa, nasa kaglahi ang generations karon. I don't know, naka-encounter ba ang tanan, pero mauna siya ang sitwasyon na ito karon sa mga new generations. So, mga parents, mga ginikanan, mga leaders, no, maghimutang mga programa na atuan siyang kaligayan or mausap, no, mga upbringing sa mga kabataan. Of course, mainstream, SOGE, sensitive within governance, create women and child-friendly spaces in every community, ensure that policies are not only written, but of course felt in the daily realities of our lives. Di na lang siguro na ako basahon ang tanan, but isa po ka rampant karon ang HIV. HIV as a gender issue. The reports, ang uban mo na kaayo di siya na-announce, but sorry, no, sa ato ang uban mo wala kaayo na-announce, pero gusto na po ma-announce na siya na daghan na kayo HIV cases karon, not just Iligan, Cagayan, or whole Philippines, para ma-aware. So, let us continue to work together to address all these issues. Daghan kay mga issues, but of course, dili lang ni siya makaya sa mayor lang, sa counselor lang, sa Sangguniang Panglungsod, sa atong department heads, sa atong mga leaders, hindi na ito makaya kung kita lang, but of course, kita yung tanan, no? Let us continue to work together for a better community, no? And unya, daghan pag-present unya, daghan pagkakadugan. I encourage everyone to voice out, to pwede makutana, no, pwede mo share sa inyong mga experiences para po na ako'y ma-learn ang uban na kauban na wala nato na experience. So, I hope for a productive day karon, and once again, thank you all for joining us, no, especially itong mga bisita nato from other cities. Mabuhay po kayong lahat, daghang salamat, mabuhay ang mga kababaihan.